The NWC wishes to inform you the resignation of the national chairman, Senator Abdullahi Adamu, CON, and that of the national secretary, Senator Yola Omishore. There are no allegations at this point. The two individuals have resigned voluntarily, and that is what is available at this moment. Well, the details of the resignations will be made to you in the near future. Well, everybody has his own style of administration, and I think this present NWC will be in line with what the Constitution says. I will operate based on that. National Caucus meeting slated for Tuesday, the 18th, July 2023, and the National Executive Committee meeting of the All Progressive Congress slated for Wednesday, 19th July 2023, has hereby been postponed. And this postponement will not be indefinite, but it will be a new date will be communicated in the near future. So this is, in brief, our announcement today and the information to you, our dear friends.